कुंदन सर, कुंदन सर
नहीं तो अभी तो
हाँ क्या बोले?
हाँ कर दीजिए।
ठीक है, दोनों अटेंडेंस देना शुरू कर दो। कुंदन सर आपका 2 गो शो कर रहा है, एक सेकंड।
हाँ ऊपर वाला को खींचिए,
ठीक
टैब से उधर की।
ठीक है, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर लीजिएगा आप भी। ठीक,
हो गया।
हाँ हो गया।
Okay. So I think everybody is in. अरे बोलो हाँ या ना।
हाँ सर, आप स्टार्ट करें।
So in the last class we were at clipper and clamper. Okay. So today we'll try to simulate this clipper and clamper using online simulation. Okay. Have you heard about multisim? In the last class I discussed about the multisim. Basically it's a simulation software. You can simulate any circuitry, means any basic circuitry to the advanced level of circuitry using this. Okay. It means there are a lot of component available for your circuit building. Lot of options are there. That is the offline one. Okay. So we have online also. That same thing, same platform we have online, but some what we have restriction to build more complex circuit. Okay. But building a small circuit like clipper, clamper, and half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier is very much easy. Okay, over from there. Okay, we can build it. So going to the theory part, I will discuss some portion of that. Okay, then we'll go and simulate. First of all, you have to make a account on that. Okay, then using Gmail you can build an account over there. In mobile you can also do. So once I will introduce that software or that simulation platform, you have to build according to the specification I will show. Okay. Okay. Then you have to make a column and you have to upload your files on the Google platform. Suppose this is experiment number 2, then you have to write experiment number 2 and your circuitry you have to post over there. Okay. Second thing, because this is maybe the evolution of your lab is going to be depends upon what you are performing. Okay. Because maybe physical examination will, if it will be not held, then these things will be very, very important. Okay. So mark my word, please, whatever you do at your own in your laptop or in mobile, please take a screenshot and upload it with the naming which lab you are done. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And labs report also. I think Sundaran sir has given the instruction how this lab is going to be evaluated. Okay. Okay, so let me I'm connected with 2 accounts. So one account, in that account I am having the tab, so I can write over there. Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी, तुम लोग को अटेंडेंस पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, अटेंडेंस कंप्लीट कर दो। ओनली 19 स्टूडेंट अभी अटेंडेंस दिए हो। ठीक है सर, कंटिन्यू कीजिए।
So today what we'll do, we have discussed. So we have discussed about the theory portion of the this clippers and clampers. What was clippers and what was clamper? इसमें तो कोई डाउट नहीं है किसी को?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll see in the clipper circuit. Okay, positive. First one will what we'll see, the positive one. Okay, are you getting the visuals?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The positive clipper, we're going to see positive clipper. Second, we're going to see the negative clipper. Okay, and third in the clipper circuit is we are going to design 2 level clipper, means combination of these 2. Okay, positive and negative. Okay, what the point? So positive
Yes, sir.
clipper means it is going to clip the portion of the positive portion of the, suppose this is the input, so portion of the positive, like that. Okay, that was the actual graph. Okay, and this is the clipped one. Yeah. Okay. What is it? Okay, so what? So what will do? What it will do if it is positive clipper means it will cut the positive portion of the waveform as we desire. Okay, जैसा हमको चाहिए. So whatever you like circuit you will design, it will do like that. Okay, so it will come like this. Okay, ये portion कट जाए. Okay, in the negative clipper नीचे से ऐसा होगा. Okay, same thing if there is a two level clipper, what is going to be happen? Your waveform will come like this. Okay, so इधर से भी कट गया और नीचे से भी कट गया. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the circuit is like you need for making this circuit, what you need? First of all you need a diode. Okay, कौन सा वाला? IN 4007. Okay, दो चाहिए हमको. क्यों? क्योंकि जब हम टू लेवल डिजाइन करेंगे तो हमको दो लगेगा. ओके, सो we required this diode 2. Okay, now second we need a resistance. Okay, कितने का? 10K का. ये आप कम ज्यादा ले सकते हो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ योर रेजिस्टर. ओके, कैसा वोल्टेज अप्लाई कर रहे हो इनपुट में उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू. जैसा आपको उस क्लास में मैं बताया था, resistance is only for the limiting the current flowing through the diode. As we know, this IN 1N4007 is having 1 ampere the maximum rating. Okay, 1 ampere maximum current can flow through this diode. Okay, so if you apply some, suppose you have applied a 30 volt across this without any using the resistance, what will happen? Through this ये burn हो जाएगा. Okay, because internal resistance of this is very less, near about 550 ohms. Okay, so what will happen if you calculate the I is what? V by R. V is what? 30 you have applied and R is 50 ohm. So it will come like, how much is coming? 50 or 20 ohms रहता है. 20 ohms ही रहता है generally, but I have taken the 50 ohms. Okay. So if you take 20, what will happen? It's about 1 point something is coming. Okay, 1.1 or this much is coming. So ultimately it's going to be burn. Okay, so what we are doing, we are using a resistance, okay, in the series with this diode so that we can limit the current. Okay, ठीक है. मिली एम्पियर में हम इसको अरेंज करेंगे तो वो उतना ज्यादा अभी मैटर नहीं कर रहा. अभी क्या है, आपको जो जैसा वोल्टेज इनपुट लोगे चूज करोगे बाय बिल्डिंग ए सर्किट, यू हैव टू चूज द रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. और जो भी अवेलेबल है आपके पास ले सकते हो, बस ज्यादा नहीं होना, मतलब ज्यादा कम नहीं होना. ओके, दैट इज द मेन थिंग. और ज्यादा एकदम मतलब बहुत ज्यादा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. करंट एकदम कम हो जाएगा तो मेजरेबल रेंज में नहीं रहेगा तो वी कांट मेजर. ओके, सो वी विल टेक द रेंज बिटवीन. तो जब ये प्रैक्टिकल सर्किट बिल्ड करते तो ये सब ध्यान रखना होता है. ओके, क्लियर है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go ahead and go for the positive clipper. You can write down also. Okay, positive clipper. Okay. So in the positive clipper, the what is the circuit diagram? The R, that is 10 kilo ohm we have used, and this is the
Diode.
diode, and here is the some biased voltage we are applying, that is 2 volt. Okay. And this is the input, 8 volt peak to peak. Okay. Input. Okay. So from here you have to take the out. Okay. This is for the positive clip. For the negative clipper,
The diode should be reverse biased.
now this biasing should be changed. Okay. This how obviously will make the changes in the, अभी डायोड खोल के वो आप ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हो, उल्टा साइड पलट सकते हो. Okay, but we'll change this. Okay, -2. If you apply, then this will act as a negative clipper. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now if we add one diode more, then this will act as a 2-level clipper. Okay, positive भी कट करेगा और negative भी कट करेगा. ठीक है. ओके, नेगेटिव ये पॉजिटिव रहेगा, ये वाला ये नेगेटिव रहेगा और ये पॉजिटिव, ये 2 वोल्ट -2. ओके, so this will act as a 2-level clipper. Okay, one concept is there. Suppose I'm asking the question from your side. Okay, suppose this is the diode. Okay, this is the diode. Okay, now this is having 5 volt potential and this is having +2 volt potential. So what is the status of the six? Okay. So if there is a please getting heated, that is very small function, no worry. So see, if this is at 5 potential and this is at +2 potential, +2 potential. So what is the status of this? This is +2. Okay, something is happening. Okay, so what is the status of this diode? Tell me. Whether this is in forward bias or whether this is in reverse bias.
Reverse bias.
Sir, reverse bias.
Bias, sir, because the +5 volt is more than the +2 volt, and it
Yes.
is in the negative side. That's why.
Now this I did 5 volt and this is +3 volt. Then
Forward bias.
Forward bias.
okay. So obviously this concept will come
It depends
across.
on the magnitude of the voltage.
What? क्या हुआ?
So she said कि magnitude of the voltage पर depend करता
Yes, sir. Either it could be forward or reversed.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So this concept will come here. Okay. So somebody please make a, for positive clipper, for positive clipper, please make a circuit diagram and predict the output, and please share it with us. Okay, this is 2 volt. Everybody, this is for everybody present in the class. Okay, this is the input. Okay, this is 2 volt. No, this is 8 volt. Okay, and this is 2 volt, and this is 10K, and this is the input sinusoidal peak to peak. That is, this is 8 volt. Now you have to predict the output. Okay, this is 8 volt. 8 volt. जल्दी करो. आया? What will be the output?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So, first of all, when two cases are happening here, when Vi is greater than equal to 2 volt, here the reference is 2 volt. Then the diode is forward biased. It means circuited. That means the V output will be 2 volt.
Okay, go ahead.
And second case is when Vi is smaller than 2 volt. Then it could be reverse biased and open circuited. Then the voltage output will be equal to input voltage. That means 8 volt.
8 volt.
So the positive half cycle will be clipped by 2 volt, and negative cycle as it is. Am I audible, sir?
Audible. Also, make the graph, no?
Yes, sir. I
What
have
else?
already, because of lightning, I couldn't show it, sir.
Share करो.
Okay, sir.
Because of the lightning, we can't. So means if you on the camera, it will come, na?
Sir, please allow me.
Allow, where to allow? Who is speaking? Princey, or who is Nisu?
Jyoti Chaube.
Jyoti Chaube. Okay. Again speak.
What, sir?
Okay. Okay, can you share now?
Still not, sir.
Sir, first of all, you stop the sharing, then she will.
Okay. Like this will come. Okay. Stop. Okay, now you share.
Sir, it is written that only host share it.
Okay, now I have to make you.
Sir, may I
Then
share this group, sir?
Okay, you share it.
Okay, sir.
Do it fast. Have you done? What happened? Okay. Jyoti. Okay, I have to see now.
Yes.
You have written 10 volt.
Sorry, sir, my
Hmm?
mistake.
It's 8 volt, na?
Yes, sir. It's my mistake.
Your graph is wrong. The form is wrong.
Okay, sir. Then let
Your
you show.
your graph is starting with like with the 2 volts, right? And then it's coming down. This will not happen.
Zero से start होगा sir.
This-
Yes, sir. From 0.
From here it will follow the input, and then because this is short circuited, so whatever you will measure from here, what will come? This is parallel circuit now. यहाँ 2 वोल्ट है, तो यहाँ से आप कुछ मेजर करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 2 ही वोल्ट
2
आएगा,
volt.
है ना? कब तक? जब तक ये ऑन ना हो जाए, मतलब ऑफ ना हो जाए. ये ऑफ हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? ये ऑफ
Open
मतलब
circuit.
क्या है?
Open
ओपन सर्किट. ओके, लाइक दैट. तो अभी यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा? सॉरी, अभी यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा? जो इनपुट में रहेगा. जिस कंडीशन में जो पोजीशन पे इनपुट आ रहा है आपके पास विद द टाइम, वही आपको मिलेगा ना यहाँ मेजर करने से आउटपुट में। अगर ये
Yes,
सर्किट
sir.
ओपन है तो व्हाट द पॉइंट।
Yes, sir.
तो जब जैसे ही डायोड फॉरवर्ड बायस होगा तो ये शॉर्ट सर्किट होगा। तो अभी यहाँ से एक वोल्टेज सोर्स है, तो जो भी वोल्टेज सोर्स यहाँ लगेगा वही आउटपुट मिलेगा ना। जैसे ही ओपन सर्किट होगा तो जो भी इनपुट में वोल्टेज होगा उसको फॉलो करेगा आउटपुट। व्हाट द पॉइंट, एज सिंपल एज दैट। नाउ यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल व्हाइल deciding when your diode is going to be forward and when it is going to be in reverse mode. Okay, am I clear to all? अब कोई बोल ही नहीं है।
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
are.
Okay, I think everyone got the point. Everyone please response in the chat box. Should I go ahead and simulate this circuit? In the chat box, yes or no? कुछ ही बच्चे रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं और सब कहाँ गया जी?
Sir,
हाँ
एक क्वेश्चन है।
बोलो, हाँ बोलो।
सर बोथ साइड एनोड एंड कैथोड वोल्टेज इक्वल हो जाएगा तब क्या होगा?
Yes, sir. So yes, लिख रहा हूँ, लिख देते हैं। So yes, sir, लिख रहा हूँ, लिख देते हैं, yes.
फिर भैया ओसी बाई आर लिखा है। ओ हाँ, समझ गए।
अंकित कुमार सिंह,
ए बाई 2 क्यों लिखा है?
अंकित कुमार सिंह,
Yes, sir.
what happened? You are not speaking anything and you unmuted yourself.
Sorry, sir, due to network problem, sir. Sorry.
Now, you have asked the question that when both are the same at the same potential. Okay. So for that instant, obviously, as we know, कि उसको फॉरवर्ड और रिवर्स बायस होने के लिए देयर मस्ट बी सम ग्रेटर और लेस होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव के हिसाब से जब आप सोचते हो उस समय वो ना तो फॉरवर्ड बायस रहेगा ना तो रिवर्स बायस रहेगा। ओके, वो एक ट्रांजिट फेज है जहां से आप फॉरवर्ड या तो फॉरवर्ड हो सकता है तो रिवर्स हो सकता है। Okay, what the point for that
Yes.
instant? But the thing is that this is happening so fast, so you will not be able to recognize that. Okay, because you have applied a AC signal, that too it is having 50 hertz. Okay, so
Yes.
it's suppose there is 8 voltage, so this is not a fixed 8 voltage, it's fluctuating. Okay, sometimes coming 0 and sometimes is coming maximum and then again going 0 and then, so this is happening so fast. Okay, when the 0.2 volt 2 volt will meet, it's very means either for the fraction of second, maybe in the microsecond zone. Okay, so it will not give that much effect to block or unblock the signals. Okay, it's a transit point, I can say. Transit सही वर्ड नहीं है to use from here. Transit मतलब क्या होता है, जब मतलब आप या तो वापस आ सकते हैं तो जा सकते हो, like that points. Okay, but it is happening so fast, so you can't able your diode is not going to recognize that. Obviously that case is coming, okay, but your diode is not going to recognize that one. Okay, obviously
Okay, sir.
suppose अगर वो फॉरवर्ड बायस है, मान लेते हैं केस के लिए टू वो फॉरवर्ड बायस है और दो दो बराबर हो गया, अभी दोनों में से कोई एक घटने वाला है, सपोज एनोड के पास से घटे या कैथोड के पास से घटे, ओके, तो वो यहां तक तो ठीक है। अब जैसे अगर ये ऑफ होता तो सडन ड्रॉप करेगा, ओके, बंद हो जाएगा, मतलब सपोज कुछ आ रहा है आपके आउटपुट में, अगर ये ओपन हो गया तो क्या हो जाएगा, ऐसे ड्रॉप कर जाएगा, सडन ड्रॉप हो जाएगा, ओके, कुछ नहीं आने वाला है, बट वी हैव अप्लाइड पैरेलल विद द voltage source, so suddenly if that will come, suddenly it will change the reverse से forward या forward से reverse होने ही वाला है तुरंत, तो again the output will है ना reflecting on the output, so it's not going, we will not going to recognize on the graph, okay.
Okay, sir.
बट हाँ जहां से मोड चेंज होने वाला है, सपोज आपका ऐसे आ रहा है ना, ऐसे जा रहा था, लेकिन यहाँ से चेंज हो गया अभी, तो हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि कहीं यहीं पे इस पॉइंट पे वो बराबर हुआ हो, है ना, क्योंकि इसके बाद से ही आउटपुट चेंज होना स्टार्ट हो गया, तो आप बोल सकते हो कि यहाँ पे कैथोड का पोटेंशियल और एनोड का पोटेंशियल बराबर हुआ हो। गॉट द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
और किसी को कोई डाउट है? Okay, so should I go ahead with the simulation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today I'll try to show you one, and then afterward you'll make 2-3 circuits from this using your mobile or laptop. Okay. I expect everybody is having the laptop, at least computers or mobile also you can. थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होगा क्योंकि सर्किट ऐड करने मतलब डिलीट करने थोड़ा सीखना पड़ेगा, तब आप कर पाओगे इसको। Okay, you can build half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, another circuit, coming circuits also you can build from here. Okay, this online platform. Okay, now I'll switch to the another sharing. We have only left for 1 minute or 2 minutes. I think we should join again. Okay, it will disconnect. So after this, you must join again. सुंदरम सर?
यस सर, बोलिए सर। हाँ, खत्म होने वाला है, टाइम खत्म।
हाँ, एक बार फिर या तो मैं शेयर कर
नहीं, फिर से